crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and I'm excited that over the weekend we received our new Open Gate Quilts January box. So it feels like it's been forever since it's been anything normal, and it's just kind of exciting to be getting back to regular life. It's just been so much going on, and we're still trying to get the house put back together from Christmas because, maybe if we didn't do 13 Christmas trees and everything else, that maybe it just wouldn't take us forever to put the house back together. But it is what it is. We enjoy Christmas, we enjoy the holidays, and that much is never going to change for us. But with that said, let's get into the January box of Open Gate Quilts, because you all know I love Open Gate Quilts. So as always, nice tissued, all put together for us with their little label. And a quick letter to tell me what we're looking at. So this says, Open Gate Quilt Box, January 2024. It has a project, a second project, notion of the month. They always give us an Aurifil thread and an Open Gate pattern. So let's take a look. Project number 1 is called Melody of the Hearts. And, oh, how cool is this? All right, so Melody of the Hearts is Open Gate Quilts. Fabric for quilt top and binding out of Lovebirds by Debbie Monson for PLB Textiles, full color pattern and picture. So let's look. That says Courtyard. That is a tote. Oh, so it's in here. How cool is that? So let's open this up and dig in. So this is just the picture of what we will be doing. It's called Melody of the Hearts. It's the fabric for the quilt top and the binding. So how cute is that for Valentine's coming up? And then the instructions and all that to do it. And then the fabric that goes along with it. And I want you to see, this is why we love Open Gate, right? Look how nice that is, right? With the hearts and all the different colors. And then, now this to me is a little reminiscent of my grandparents. And I'm old because I'm a grandparent. But, that's not to say I dislike it. I would not have bought that. But then when you couple all of this together, I love this fabric. In fact, I think I had that fabric at one point. And I love these Lovebirds. I had not seen this. So when you look at all of this fabric together, I think that's going to make such a cute... All right, sorry, it went under my mouse pad. I think that is going to make an adorable topper, right? I mean, how cute is that going to be? So very, very happy. Once again, it's Open Gate Quilts. I mean, for some reason, just everything that Monique and them do down there just resonates with me. Not sure why, but I'm so glad I found them. They have just such cool designs, cool fabrics, but the projects in that. And I'll be honest, I don't even know what I pay for this box, but I will tell you, it's just well worth it. All right, so that's not going to go back in the plastic, so we'll go do it this way. So that's Project 1 that we got for January. Project 2 is what they call a... Sorry, I am that age. String of the Hearts reversible bag. So how cute is this reversible bag? Now they use some of the same fabrics, or not the same fabrics, but that coordinate. And let me see if they've got just a good picture, because I don't want to show you the pattern because, or the instructions, because that would not be right. Come on, John, you can do this. Okay, so let's look at, this is the tote, reversible tote, that we can also make. And with that, we were giving this, which I'm assuming is more or less the outer, and this would be the liner. And again, it's that same similar fabric. And I don't dislike it. It's just, it's not a fabric I would have initially bought. But like I said, Monique and them always do some cool things. But that gives me the reversible bag to make for Valentine's. So I'll be honest, I don't know that the reversible bag is going to get done, which actually it should because it's probably the easier of the two projects. But I have some other things that we're working on that I wanted to knock out for Valentine's. So with that said, we will definitely probably do the table runner because I think it's too cute just to ignore. So we'll see. All right, so that was project 2. Also in this box, and that's what I'm telling you, Monique, Open Gate Quilts just puts together a good value to me. We got light pink thread, which actually looks peachy to me, but we got light pink thread from Aurifil, and I know folks just love, love, love Aurifil, and that's fine. Notion of the month was another bottle of Best Press, so I definitely have enough Best Press for a while, but can definitely use, yeah, it's not like it's going to go bad, right? And then the Open Gate pattern for this month is called Courtyard. And look how cute that pattern is. Probably be a while before we do that pattern. But again, it's a pretty cute pattern. So that is what we subscribe to. They also have a class that will show you how to do the large projects. So that would be the table topper and some other things. You can get the backing and some other stuff from them. Once again, happy with Open Gate Quilts. I have not had anything from them. Feels like forever. So thrilled to get some stuff from them. Definitely will be getting back in the rhythm of working with them, working with their projects and that. And we'll see how 2024 goes for us. We're hoping to get a lot more done. So with that said, that's our open box. That's our unboxing of the January 2024 box. My name is John. You landed in Guys Craft 2. Thanks for dropping in. If you like what we're doing, hit that thumbs up. Tell your friends, neighbors. We love each and every one of our subscribers and continue to love seeing our channel grow. So with all that said, until next time, happy crafting.